year team in the city leagues, but their past touch football experience has paid off as they could qualify for the playoffs with a win this coming weekend. Brad Fiber is the coach and quarterback of the Eastside Nursery team, and he joins us today to discuss their postseason perspectives. And Brad, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
Now, your team, even though the first year in the American League, you guys have a lot of touch football experience, a background playing out in Whitehall. Tell us a little bit about that and why you've moved to the Columbus Leagues now.
Well, we got together about 8 years ago. This is our 9th year playing organized football as a group of guys out of high school, and some of us went to college. One of the guys that plays for us got us a sponsor at Eastside Nursery, and we started playing out in Whitehall. For a few years there, it was really competitive. We won it probably 4 out of the 8 years that we played in it. We heard some good things about Columbus, and it took us a couple of years, but we finally decided to make the move this year.
As the coach, as the guy that's organizing the team, that can sort of be a difficult situation of trying to keep the players happy, trying to know who's on and off the field, and then doing your job as the quarterback, which in touch football, as it is in most levels of football, is one of the key, if not the key position. Is that a tough combination for you, Brad? You find that difficult trying to handle or wear all those different hats?
I'm finding it more and more difficult. I don't have quite the time that I used to have, to spend on touch football. It is a little hard running players, receivers in and out. We've got a good group of receivers that I kind of let take it upon themselves as far as substituting in and out of the game. And Doug Wilson, who is our defensive captain, handles most of the defensive responsibilities, so that takes a little of the weight off my shoulders too.
touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I to rhyme and to hype me? It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna dance, so move out of your seat and get a fire girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little bit and let them know what's going on like that. Like that. Hold on a minute, so fall on back. Let them know that you're too much. And this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell. School is in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song or rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You talk about the hammer, you're talking about a show that's hyped and tight. Singles are sweating so fast, them a whiteboard tape. To learn what's it gonna take in the 90s to burn the charts. Legit. Either work hard or you might as well quit. That's word because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. Go with the flow. It is said if you can't groove this, then you probably are dead. So wave your hands in the air. Bust a few moves. Run your fingers through your hair. This is it. For a winner, dance to this, and you're gonna get there. Now move. Slide your rump. Just for a minute, let's all do the bump. Bump, bump, bump. Yeah. You can't touch this. Look, man. You can't touch this. You better get hype, boy, because you know you can't touch this. Ring the bell. School's back in. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. Every time you see me, the hammer's just so hype. I'm dope on the floor and I'm magic on the mic. Now why would I ever stop doing this with others making records that just don't hit? I tour around the world, from London to the Bay. It's hammer go, hammer empty, hammer yo, hammer, and the rest can't go in play. You can't touch this.
Drive a million miles to be with you tonight. So if you're feeling He drives women wild and he drives off in a Mercedes-Benz. He's got a long rig with a flame that goes bands. He's hot, but don't let him go. Just give him a chance to go. Take it easy, take it slow, and don't let him go. Don't let him go. He makes you so angry, he makes you so sore. The wait may be worth it, but how can you wait anymore? When you're wondering what you're waiting for, baby, I don't know, but don't let him go. Just give him a chance to go. Take it easy, take it slow, and don't let him go. Don't let him go. Baby, don't let him go. Just give him a chance to go. Take it easy, take it slow, and don't let him go. Don't let him go. Baby, don't let him go. He just needs a chance to go. Take it easy, take it slow, and don't let him go. Don't let him go.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. You could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. 9 to 5 for my money. So when the weekend comes, I can go get live with the honey. Rolling down the street, I saw this girl when she was pumping. I winked my eyes, got into the ride, went to a club and was jumping. Introduced myself as Loke, she said, you're a liar. I said, I got it going on, baby doll, and I'm on fire. Took her to the hotel, she said, you're the king, so be my queen if you know what I mean, and let's do the wild thing. Wild thing. Wild thing. Shopping at the mall, looking for some gear to buy. I saw this girl, she gon' rock my world, and I had to adjust my fly. She looked at me and smiled and said, you have plans for the night? I said, hopefully if things go well, I'll be with you tonight. So we journeyed to a house, one thing led to another. I get in the door, I go hit the floor, looked up and it was a mother. I didn't know what to say, I was hanging by a string. She said, hey you too, I was once like you and I like to do the wild thing. Wild thing. She loved to do the wild thing. Wild thing. Please, baby, baby, please. Posse in effect. Hanging out is always hype. And with me and the crew leave a shindig, I'm with a girl who's just my type. Saw this luscious little frame, I ain't lying, fella, she was fine. This sweet young Miss Cole gave me a kiss and I knew that she was mine. Took her to the limousine, it's still parked outside. I tipped the chauffeur when it was over and I gave her my own ride. Didn't get her off my jock, she was like static cling. But that's what happens when bodies start slapping from doing the wild thing. Wild thing. She wanted to do the wild thing. Please, baby, baby, please. Wild thing. Doing a little show at the local discotheque. This fine young chick was on my jock, so I said, what the heck? She wanted to come on stage and do a little dance. So I said, chill for now and maybe later you'll get your chance. So when the show was finished, I took her around the way. And what do you know, she was good to go without a word to say. We was all alone and she said, Tone, and let me tell you one thing, I need $50 to make you holler. I get paid to do the wild thing. Say what? Yo, love, you must be kidding. Yo, Walk, you ready? Just break out of here. Hasta la vista, baby.